In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text using Docusign as part of our quick tip series. In just about 5 minutes, you'll learn how to efficiently manage your documents with this handy feature. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Docusign's official website. This is your starting point for harnessing the power of electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. If you've never visited their site before, you might want to bookmark it for easy access later. Once you're on the site, focus on locating the Login button. It generally sits on the upper part of the page, providing a straightforward path for returning users to access their account. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and input those. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your command center for all things document related. From here, you can easily manage, organize, and edit your documents. What you'll want to do is select a template that matches the type of document you're working with. This could be a contract, an agreement, or any other document that requires adjustments before getting sent out for signatures. With your template selected, proceed to add the necessary details to your document. Think of this step as personalizing the template to fit your specific needs. Whether it's adding names, dates, or other important information, take your time to fill everything out accurately. Once that's done, you're ready to move forward, so click the next button to advance to the next stage of the process. Now we're entering the segment where you'll actually apply the strike through effect. First, navigate to the pre-fill tools section. This is where you'll find various editing options at your disposal, designed to streamline the document preparation process. Once there, select the tool that allows you to modify text elements. Among these tools, you'll find one labeled Line. Clicking on Line gives you the ability to draw a line through any text you choose, effectively striking it through. With your line tool selected, head over to the part of the document where you need text to be struck through. Carefully apply the line over the text in question. Voila, you've successfully added the strike through effect. Remember, this technique is invaluable for marking out text that is no longer relevant or needs to be reviewed further without fully deleting it. It maintains the text's presence while clearly indicating it's no longer part of the active content. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to strike through text in Docusign. Hopefully this quick tip will speed up your document management process and make your workflow more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Docusign tutorials for more helpful tips.